Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 quick and easy methods to type the square meter symbol, or $m² in Microsoft Word. Let's get right into it. First up is the Superscript option. Simply type M followed by 2. Next, select or highlight just the number 2 with your cursor. Head up to your Home tab and click on the Superscript button, the one that looks like an X with a small 2 above it. And just like that, your number turns into an exponent. The second approach uses the built-in equation tool, which is perfect if you are drafting a math or science document. Go to the top menu and select Insert, then click on Equation on the far right. This brings up an equation box. Under the Equation tab that appears, click on Script and choose the first superscript structure. Now just click inside the large box to type your M and click the smaller box above it to add your 2. Finally, let's look at the absolute fastest way using a simple keyboard shortcut. Type M and 2 as usual and select the number 2. Now press Ctrl Shift and the plus sign plus together on your keyboard. This will instantly format your selected text as a superscript. If you press that same combination again, it returns to normal text. And that's it. If you found this quick guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tutorials.